Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to cancel subscription of Dispute Beast. Firstly, go to www.beastcreditmonitoring.com, then click on Login. Enter your email and password. After logging in, click on the icon in the top right corner next to your name and click My Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the section titled Your Payment Information. Then click on Add New Primary Payment option if you wish to change your billing info. Enter the new payment details, then click on Add to save. If you don't want to continue with your membership and cancel it, look for a chat support icon on the side after logging in. Request cancellation directly from a support agent. Or you can email support@beastcreditmonitoring.com. Use a subject like cancel my membership and include your full name, email address, and the last 4 digits of the credit card on file for verification. Once cancelled, you should receive a confirmation email. Be sure to save it in case there are any billing disputes later. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.